So in this realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view houses on golf courses here on the realtor.com mobile application. So the first thing you have to do is open up realtor.com. Once that is done, go to the bottom left, press on the search icon, then go to the top left here and press on filters. Once you're on the filters page, just scroll down all the way to the bottom to where it says amenities and press on amenities. And once you're here, under popular, you have 2-car garage, views, waterfront, and golf course. Make sure that the golf course option here is selected and then press on apply. So now what you can see now is that the homes went from 27,000 to just one home in the New York City area, for instance, which is right here. But maybe if you were to go to a different area, perhaps we'll go to like the Philadelphia area, for example. Now there's a lot of some other options. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. But this is how to view houses on golf courses here on the realtor.com mobile application. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.